make shrimp and grits that make people say,
"Whoever made these shrimp and grits,
and keep watching. Alright, so let's start off with cheese. You're going to need some smoked Gouda cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese, and shred it yourself because it tastes way better if it's freshly shredded. After that, you're going to dice up some bell peppers and set it to the side. I like to use raw shrimp when I cook shrimp and grits because pre-cooked just don't hit the same. After I'm done cleaning them, this is all the seasonings that I use, and you will be using these seasonings again when you make the gravy later on. So keep that in mind. I think what makes my shrimp and grits hit so different is because I use 0 water. So if the recipe says you need 2 cups of water, I'll use 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream. And once it comes to a boil, you mix the grits in slowly, very slowly, and make sure you keep mixing it because don't nobody want no clumpy, lumpy grits, okay? This is how the shrimp look when I'm done cooking it. Real nice, real pretty, period. And when the grits are like 95% done, that's when I add some more cheese so it could be all nice, creamy, and cheesy and all that good stuff, okay? Alright, y'all can season y'all grits how y'all like because y'all probably gonna think I'm weird for this, but I use smoked paprika and chicken bouillon. Paprika is just for color, and chicken bouillon is my favorite seasoning ever, so I definitely put that on everything. The gravy is just heavy cream, the same cheese and seasonings that we used from earlier. And you just mix it all together until the gravy is thick, and then pour it on your grits, okay? I make the gravy in the same pan that I used to cook my shrimp and bell peppers in, just for extra flavoring. And this is how the grits came out. Super yummy, looks good. Always the first thing to go at parties. The bowl be coming back to me lick clean, because that's how good it tastes, okay? Oh, also, y'all, I'm still working on presentation, so I definitely should have put the sauce on top of the grits and then the shrimp and then, you know, the green onions, but we're going to do that next time, okay? Yeah, but try this recipe out, okay? It's really good, and let's get to the party.
You wasn't even born. You still in my belly. Oh, no, right? Where's Jarrell? I can jump on him. That's this.
I say mine's so cheap.
And then Ashley has Alright, let me go gather.
Your what?
Cheers, cheers.
I said, my sister birthday.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers.
I don't have nothing.
Oh.
Wait, Brittany. We already drank our Cheers. Sorry. Cheers. Hey, what's up here, Brittany? Get a sweetheart. Happy birthday.
I said, "Whoever made these shrimp and grits, they
No, we were at Morgan State University, and Kawana was like, I love my AK, I love my AK. And I was like, Kawana, wait, don't do anything. You're right there. You can't do that.
At my probate.
Oh my God.
At the probate is crazy. All she wanted to do was start barking.
Cheers to a baddie.
Put the camera on me.
Okay, hold on.
Wait.
Before I get mad.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh, you too cool to say it?
What's going on?
Aw, so cute.
No, you know what I be doing?
It's gonna be a fun drive home.
I got a friend named Taylor. Taylor is my friend. You never seen that? No, we're not.
I was vibing.
Took around and Tina. There he is. Congratulations. Yeah.
We gonna finish tomorrow.
Throw that beat on that damn phone, dog.
Good job, Tay.
It's no more ready.
I know you did not take your shot without me.
This is old. This is the first one. I'm not drinking. I'm not mixing.
She poured you one.
No, that's her. That was for your
I'm sorry, I take it back.
Y'all hear how she's yelling at me? She's literally yelling at me.
I'm enough.
She told me she was gonna bite my face off.
Does that sound like something I would say?
Yes. Yes.
Wait, I don't know that. There you go. Hey, girl. I did it. Hey, girl. Hello. Did you take a shot already? You take a shot? Oh, that is the old. Mind you, I'm ready to make it. I got mine as well. No, I have mine. I ain't know that number.
How much do these cost?
Like, nah. How much? What? This one? Okay.
How do you stop it?
Never stop. It's like, nah. Hey, you want some more?
Actually, we got a non-alcoholic liquor.
Take a drink of your bottle. Cheers.
Real strong.
It's good.
Good as hell.
Shake them titties.
I love this. You look so cute. I want one.
Granddaddy. Say hi.
Taylor, you got one of these?
What do you want to shut up, Mom?
That's a triple shot. That's a triple shot.
I need vodka.
Pour me up one right now. I love my family so bad. Granddaddy said he wanted a shot. A shot of pop. Every day a shot of pop.
She went for Trump. She went for Trump. Damn, I got it right on time.
What does this mean? I forgot.
I was making first shot that night.
Yeah.
Three.
I told her to miss
Three.
Her baby shot.
I'm about to take it. We're gonna take our shots tonight.
One day when everybody gets it together, we'll take it.
I got a shot glass.
Shot.
Hey, Chris. Somebody at the door. Somebody at the door.
I gotta wait.
I got one yet.
Ready?
Daddy ain't got it.
Toast up to Jarrell for all the hard work.
Where's Jill?
All the continuous success that he's going to do. And we're going to pray over him and say we going to wish you well on your next ventures in the Marine. To Jarrell!
They said for free sun drinking.
No, we got to take another one for Tina.
I still got it. Thank you. I love how caring you are. Are you a Cancer?
To Tina, we are proud of you on your accomplishment of getting your degree. We're gonna wish you well on your next adventures of continuing your education. So toast up to Tina.
Nice shot.
Yes. I'm about to turn some music on.
Sweetheart.
Yes, sweetheart.
You gotta take
Anything?
I'm through.
What time is this? Part-time girl, get up, messing with my little bitch. Okay, Keisha. You ain't gotta say what got me like that. Yeah, Brittany, go ahead. No, you're not. Never sit off the dance. Do nothing, I'm a ball. I'm gone all day like the clock on the wall. So go and get money, little double bag boy. Get money. I ain't never ran from a nigga, and I'm damn sure all the niggas they can start running. Look, honey, I said I ain't never ran from a nigga, and I damn sure ain't about to fix the day to start running. Get money. The beat's so hot, the floor's so ice cold. Welcome to the Gucci store, honey. I'm home. I got that shit. I need a camera on me. I love bad bitches. And that's my problem. I love bad bitches. That's my problem. Hey, yes. I'm pretty baby. Look at my girl. The baddest. Show the matches. Let me see. Yeah, ice. Her shit ice. Y'all's not.
OGG.
That part. Yes, it was.
You really getting no money, right?
No, it's not. Just wait for me, okay? Just so you got to leave. You got to leave. It's already go. Bitch, you guessed it. Woo! You was right. What it is? What did you say? It's you. Get back. Bitch, you guessed it. Still in my face. Stand up, listen. You must know yelling. Woo! Bitch, you guessed it. I'm still with my nigga. I'm in Texas. OGG. Look at all this. I'm not talking about y'all couldn't hear me? Bitch, you guessed it. I bought my, oh, it's not that. Excuse me. I wasn't done. Get your two-step in. Keep holding on. Yeah, Cal.
Tomorrow.
What'd you say?
Ghetto twins back in.
It is.
And we coming up in here.
Yeah.
At Ghetto Part 2.
Looking sweet as shit.
Baby.
Corey, what you gotta say?
I feel great.
You feeling good? You feeling great?
I feel amazing.
Period.
My feet starting to hurt.
I know, always taking care of me. She's like, stop food. How are you? I some water. Some water? Mimosas. Right. Flip it on me. We don't want no water. Pour it on the floor. Wait, what? You want mimosas? Yeah, we want mimosas.
I got it. Yeah. What do you want? I like everything.
He got the drink. I know what she's talking about. Ain't no bottoms up nothing. Yeah, you had too much of bottoms up. You ain't even had much.
We lovers and friends.
Oh, your mom.
Tell me again. I'm saying like this is Kawana, because they don't know who the difference is. We lovers and friends. Oh. Hold on.
Girls gone wild. White girls wasted flashy titties. If you pretty from the trap, the lost baby. Girls gone wild. White girls wasted flashy titties. If you pretty from the trap, the lost baby. If you wanna take a ride with a bad bitch, hop inside, you can see why they mad, bitch. Titties bounce to the beat of the baseline. Pretty ass face, make me so commit. Hey, I'm shaking ass and I laugh. Let me stop trying. Food topless, girls gone wild. Pill get us in, we don't need cash. I'm with the girls gone wild, making low class. Big titties stretching out this brick. Nothing but bad bitches in my clip. Couple model bitches, couple bitches thick. Bathroom suckers next to Betty Teddy strip. Up my face, grind my waist, turn me round, straight to play, booty short, coochie print, scratch and sniff, licky lips. If you wanna take a ride with a bad bitch, on the side you can see why they mad, bitch. Titties bounce to the beat of the bass, pretty ass face make me so commit. Hey, I'm shaking ass and I laugh, let me stop trying. We in the pool topless, girls gone wild. People get us in, we don't need cash. I'm with the girls gone wild, making low class. Girls gone wild, white girl wasted in the pool, butt naked with my twin. We in Vegas. If you top tier, come over here, girl, shake it. Cali white boy, ain't my pussy, gave me Beckham. I hope you brought an umbrella, it's getting messy. Squirting like a sprinkler, then I pass me to my bestie. Yeah, he a good coochie kiss, a flashing titties